Hi guys! Welcome to SAP Logistics Expert, where we turn complex SAP configurations into clear, actionable steps. If you've ever struggled to connect SAP S/4HANA with EWM, or found yourself lost in documentation that's long on theory but short on execution, you're in the right place. In this video, we're kicking off a complete, real-world integration series. We'll walk you through every step, from system connection settings to ERP configuration and warehouse integration, using live SAP system demos, not just slides or screenshots. Whether you're an SAP consultant, a logistics lead, or someone preparing for a real implementation project, this series is designed to give you clarity, confidence, and control. So stay tuned, subscribe, and let's dive into the real SAP, where theory meets practice and configuration becomes capability. In order to understand easily, we have divided the whole connectivity between S/4HANA and EWM into 3 steps. Step 1: S/4HANA EWM System Connection Basic Settings. Step 2: Initial Settings in ERP S4. Step 3: Integrate SAP EWM Warehouse. In the next part, we will describe all these 3 steps. Step 1: S/4HANA EWM System Connection Basic Settings. This part is divided into 3 key stages described as following. First, we'll set up the system landscape and QRFC communication, covering logical systems, RFC destinations, and schedulers. Next, we'll configure master data integration, including business system groups and queue types. Finally, we'll complete the application integration by defining business systems, linking business partners to plants, and controlling RFC queues. Whether you are working with embedded or decentralized EWM, this guide shows you exactly how to execute each step with precision. No theory, just tested, real SAP configuration. This video serves as the introduction to our complete SAP S/4HANA EWM integration series, giving you a clear roadmap of the steps we'll cover in detail. If you're ready to dive into the actual configuration, Step 1, System Connection Settings, is available as a separate video, where we walk through every setting live inside the SAP system. You'll find the direct link to that video in the description below, and it's also part of the full playlist for easy navigation. Don't just stop here. Go watch Step 1 now and see how theory turns into real-world execution. Your SAP journey starts with action. Now we will go to Step 2, which is Initial Settings in ERP or S/4HANA. Step 2: Initial Settings in ERP or S/4HANA. In this step, we'll perform the necessary configurations within the SAP ERP or S/4HANA system to enable connection and integration with EWM. Please note, if we are configuring decentralized EWM on S/4HANA, then these settings need to be done on S/4HANA system connected with EWM. If we are configuring embedded EWM, then these settings need to be done on LE, MM, or SD components of the ERP present in the same instance. Below configurations are executed under this configuration: assign warehouse number to plant and storage location, handling unit management, define handling unit type, define warehouse storage condition, configure SAP EWM specific parameters, assign warehouse number to EWM warehouse number, etc. This video continues our journey into SAP S/4HANA EWM integration, serving as the introduction to the full series. If you've already watched Step 1, you know we're keeping things practical and system-driven. Now, it's time to move forward. Step 2 covers the essential ERP configurations that make the integration work behind the scenes. That video is available separately, and you'll find the direct link in the description below. It's also neatly placed in the playlist for easy access. When you're ready, head there and let's keep building this integration, one tested step at a time. Now let us continue to step 3, which is integrate the embedded or decentralized warehouse to S/4HANA or ERP. Step 3. Integrate the embedded or decentralized warehouse to S/4HANA or ERP. In this step, we'll perform the necessary configurations within the embedded or decentralized EWM system to enable connection and integration with S/4HANA or EWM system. We execute the following configuration in this step. All this configuration needs to be done in the EWM system. Examples are EWM warehouse definition and assignment to the logistics execution, LE warehouse, assignment of organizational units to the EWM warehouse, assignment of EWM stock types and availability group to the S4 plants and SLOCs, delivery document integration configuration, etc. This video gently wraps up the overview of our integration journey. If you followed along through Step 1 and Step 2, you already know the rhythm. Each part is covered in its own dedicated video. Step 3, focused on warehouse integration, is available separately and linked in the description below. It's also part of the playlist for easy access. When you're ready, feel free to continue there and see the final piece come together inside the system. That brings us to the end of this introduction to SAP S/4HANA EWM integration. We've outlined the key steps, the structure of the series, and what you can expect in each part. If you're serious about mastering this integration, not just in theory, but in real SAP systems, then we invite you to continue with the next videos. Each one dives deeper, with hands-on configuration and tested walkthroughs. You'll find all the links in the description below, and the full playlist is ready for you to explore at your own pace.